Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to add motion and picture on Leonardo AI. So guys, log in into your account in Leonardo AI and click this option right here guys, and after that guys you can select your photo. Click select and you can select from collection, and you can select from trending photo, as you can see this photo, and just click confirm guys. And in my case guys, I have a free plan and I can generate this for this token. If you have premium plan guys, just click generate and upgrade and vary and change the strength. As you can see here, you can change easily, and you can click private mode as you can see here and click just generate. So guys, this is how you can do easily. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Keep watching.